Miss Randy, also known as Naturally Fearless, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a simple protective style that I like to do in the summertime. It doesn't take that long. You guys know I am all about the quick, simple, easy style. So I have already washed and deep conditioned my hair, and I used the Mielle Organics Avocado Moisturizing Hair Milk for my leave-in conditioner, which I already put on in the shower. You guys know I put my leave-ins on in the shower. I absolutely love that hair milk, you guys. But I'm gonna start off by, you guys know, taking care of my scalp with my oil blend. Every single wash day, I always make sure I treat my scalp before anything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give myself a quick scalp massage with my oil blend. And if you guys have not tried doing scalp massages on your hair, I definitely recommend that you try it. It feels amazing, and then also at the same time you're treating your scalp. You have to remember that your scalp plays a big part in your hair growth journey. If you're not taking care of your scalp, then I mean, what are you really doing, sis? So I just went ahead and gave myself a middle part down the middle. When I do ponytails, I usually do side parts, but today I wanted to try something different. And now I'm just going to be going ahead and sectioning my hair off into 4 sections. Anytime I do ponytails, I always do my ponytails in sections because it just makes it a lot easier with smoothing my hair down for my protective styles. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure that my hair is smooth and detangled. I already detangled my hair when I was in the shower, but I like to go ahead and make sure it's nice and smooth when I'm doing a ponytail, just to get out any extra knots. And I'm gonna be going in with the Eco Styler gel. This is the coconut kind. This is actually one of my favorite Ecos. I do have a wash and go on this channel using this Eco Styler gel. I'll go ahead and link that down below, but I just go ahead and start to smooth that, starting at the roots and working my way down, smoothing it and brushing it down to get a nice smooth finish. And this part is crucial, you guys. You really want to take your time when you're doing any ponytails on natural hair. If you want it to be smooth and look nice and, you know, detangled and all of that, you definitely want to take your time during the smoothing section, doing the smoothing part. That's why I always do my hair in sections, because it makes it easier to smooth down my ponytails. It makes it a lot easier to get my curls nice and tamed. And then this also makes sure that even though my curls are nice and tamed, I also get those waves popping, which is what I like to see when I'm wearing my ponytails. So I'm just gonna go ahead and speed through this part for you guys, but I'm pretty much just doing the same thing, just adding the gel to my hair from roots to ends. I actually started to switch the gel that I was using, and I started to go in with my Wetline Extreme, because the Wetline Extreme, it actually just holds my hair down better, because one side of my hair is thicker than the other, and the Wetline, it just really takes care of all of that. So I actually stopped using the Coconut Eco and started to use the Wetline Extreme, which you guys will see in a second. And this is what my hair looks like when I'm done smoothing it all down. As you can see, taking your time is really crucial and it really gives you that nice clean finish. And I put my hair and my ponytails. These are my DIY ponytail holders that I actually learned how to make from Natural 85. I'll go ahead and link that down below if I can find it. But it gives my hair, it's low tension on my hair and it doesn't snag when I take my ponytails out, which I absolutely love. Anything low tension is great for me. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and start to braid that part of my hair. Just braiding it down and smoothing as I'm braiding also. And then I left a piece of hair out, you guys, to go ahead and wrap around my ponytail, just to go ahead and, you know, hide the ponytail holder. I like to take a piece of my hair and just wrap it around. It just gives the ponytail a nice, you know, look instead of just looking at a black ponytail holder. And this is what my hair looks like when it's nice and smooth and braided. Very easy, you guys, just take your time. So then I just go ahead and go in with my Texture ID multi-styling foam. I love this foam, you guys. You have seen this on my channel numerous times, but I go ahead and just smooth that on my hair just to, you know, set it in place to make sure, you know, it takes care of all of the any frizzies or any of those, you know, little pieces of hair that likes to pop up sometimes. Go ahead and just smooth on this foam, and then I tie my hair down with my scarf and sit under the dryer for 10 minutes just to set the style in place. All right, you guys, so this is the next day. I'm just gonna go ahead and take some of these gold bobby pins that I order off of Amazon, I believe. They're pretty cheap and affordable, about $3 for 50 of these little bobby pins. But I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, kind of, you know, clean up this ponytail and, you know, make it kind of stand out and pop for a cute summer look. Just gonna add in a couple of these, you know, just to make it cute, y'all. And this is the finished look, you guys. I pretty much just freestyled on the bobby pins, but I like the design and the way that it came out. And this hairstyle is really easy, you guys. It gives you all of that texture. It gives you the shine. It just gives you a really cute summer poppin' look. You can leave your hair out if you want to. You can braid it up, you can twist it, you can put this in a bun. It's so many different ways that you can do this, but I recommend throwing the bobby pins just to, you know, take it to the next level and really give it a good, clean, cute look. I love all the texture that I see in my hair. It's just like, I love it, you guys, for a quick, easy, simple, protective style. But if you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me over on my Instagram page at naturally_fearless. And I'll see you guys in my next one.